Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeView.com. I got some stuff from QiYi, and they're both the same. One is UV coated, one is their regular one, but this is their Void Cube. And I have not had a Void Cube in a long time because they're usually bad. And this one flexes. Like, how? I'm very curious. It looks like, I don't know how this works. Like, it really feels like there's springs in here, but what are they connected to? What is that? It even corner cuts. How does it do? Okay, not reverse. How does it do that? Let's open the other one. I'm going to see what these both are like. But this is phenomenal. I'm really don't know how this is done. Performance identical. No difference in it. There's even magnets. Are there magnets in this? There are not. Yeah, so not actually identical. Definitely, wow, that camera keeps changing. Definitely, this one feels a little bit more sluggish than this one does. That's insane. That is really insane. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple solves. Then I'm going to show you how to solve one because there is a parity you can have. Really, it's false equivalence, I guess, because a 3x3 can only have even swaps. Even swaps with pieces, meaning you can't just have these two pieces swapped because that would just be one swap, and the number 1 is an odd number. And so if you had that, really the centers are off as well, and I can show you with a 3x3. Let's solve this first. So this one does. That and that need to be swapped. So there's one way to do it that's more just intuitive, and then there's just an algorithm. And so the intuitive way is if the centers are off, which I'll adjust it on a 3x3. So basically, yeah, the centers are off and we have two like that. Let me make it the same type of situation. How do I do that? There we go. So same type of situation, but the centers are off. So the way I say to do this, that's more intuitive, is just move the centers 90 degrees and then reinsert these two edges. So this edge, that edge, and then we can solve OLL and PLL. So what I would do here is move 90 degrees, reinsert that one, reinsert this one, and then solve like normal. So OLL and PLL. Like that. Let's do one other solve. This is wonderful. I'm definitely going to be keeping this around, doing a lot more solves on it. I never thought about this as an event, but Void Cube would kind of be fun, only because the parity makes an issue. I can't see it ever actually happening though. But if there was a Void Cube event, I would certainly do it. Okay. So I already have some parts there. Maybe I could do like a keyhole. Where's the... There's a pair there. Oh, there's so many pairs. Did I even scramble this? I'm gonna scramble this more. I don't like that scramble. There was too many good opportunities. Oh, I should do a roux solve. I'm gonna do a roux solve after this. It's another really good... What's going on? Okay. Actually, let's do roux now. M slices are not the best. Wait, what's going on here? What am I doing? Oh, I've got Parity, and that's what happened. I just couldn't remember it. So anyways, here's the algorithm. The algorithm that I have swaps these two pieces, and it's all M prime moves, and then either U prime, U, or U2s. So it's 2 that add a U prime, 2 U moves, a U2, and then 2 U moves. And that swaps those two. So now we just have an R perm. So once again, M prime, U prime, M prime, U prime, M prime, U, M prime, U, M prime, U2, M prime, U, M prime, U. And that swaps those two. I actually have it mirrored on my SpeedCube review website, but I like it that way better now. Yeah, this one, so the difference, I didn't even really go into it. This cheaper one is matte plastic, no magnets, but same performance. Here we have magnets. Fairly clicky in that spot. It's not a huge pull, but enough. And UV coated. This is wonderful. This is so good. I wonder if there's, for speed solving, I guess with Rue, there's got to be some method where you could identify the parity more easily, because like technically you could do it just before you start and count the number of rotations or swaps. But anyways, that's from QiYi. I'm not sure if it's out right now or not. It's not when I got this and making this video, but I'm going to try to hold out a little bit and see when it goes out so I can link it in the description, and that way you can look at the price and all that, because I'm not giving that information, so don't ask that. But other than that, this is wonderful. I'll definitely be using this and bringing it to places, schools, clubs, whatnot. I have a competition doing FMC in about a month, so I'll bring this to the competition, even though I cannot use this for FMC. Anyways, I'm rambling now. Thanks so much for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more content in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.